Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Webull Desktop, easy method. Open the installer, sign in or create an account, and follow prompts to complete initial setup. Enable two-factor authentication for security, link your bank for deposits, and customize watch lists. I'll walk through download, installation, login, funding, and basic navigation so you can trade confidently. Stay with me and we'll go step by step in a friendly, clear pace. Next, let's handle download and install in a few simple steps that anyone can follow. Find the correct installer for your OS, download it, then run the file and accept prompts. Allow automatic updates so you get the latest fixes and features without extra effort. If any security prompt appears, confirm it came from Webull before continuing. After install, open the app and prepare to sign in or create your account. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is too short for cheap socks, so try Darn Tough for durable comfort and a lifetime warranty. They make long trading sessions nicer. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover account verification and funding, which are essential to start trading. Enter accurate personal information, upload any ID needed, and wait for confirmation. Next, link your bank using the secure prompts for ACH transfers and initiate a small deposit to verify connectivity. Enable two-factor authentication for better security and set account preferences like margin or cash. Once funded, you can place your first trade and monitor positions confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.